Bitch got swag like Cardi, red bottoms in the Audi. The classy shit in when she sippin' on Bacardi. Body like Trina, but her face like Tisha. I love them hood bitches like Keisha and Tanisha. Drop it, bitch, let it go. Lace panties hit the floor. Chase down, you ain't know.
It's a vlog, RKDRT. We pushing this shit, man. Y'all niggas better fucking subscribe.
How we do hell no.
Real kings do real things. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. My name is Ronaldo. I will be your host for this evening. I'm driving, y'all. I ain't supposed to be driving and vlogging, but I'm gonna be y'all host for this evening, y'all. Hope everybody's having a wonderful week so far. Today is Thursday, September 10th. You know what I'm saying? And it's a wonderful, wonderful day out here in Las Vegas. Man, I'm headed to work right now. About to go clock in, get these dollars. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all know with every success story started off with the struggle. You know what I'm saying? I ain't born with no silver spoon, no gold spoon in my mouth, but I'm definitely blessed with the gift of, you know what I'm saying, having faith and being strong and strong-minded, most importantly. You feel me? So with that being said, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Because over here, y'all know the grind does not stop. You know what I'm saying? We spread nothing but love, positivity, joy. And yeah, man, it's all about the grind over here, man. It's all about, you feel me, struggling together, coming up together. You feel me, blessing each other with, you know what I'm saying, just blessings, just good blessings. Y'all, so I'm on my way to work right now, about to get ready to hop on this freeway. Sorry if y'all can't see me right now. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know the vlog must go on, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all definitely, if y'all new to the page, I know y'all want to see this handsome face, what I'm looking like. Trust me, y'all, I'm a face that y'all would never ever get tired of. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man, I'm about to be on my way to work right now. As y'all can see, I'm already on the road. So let me focus on this road. I'm gonna get y'all some. Let me focus on the road. Let me focus on the road. I'm gonna get y'all some B-roll footage, and I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get at work. Y'all know the police stay messing with people out here. You know what I'm saying? But hey, that's what we pay taxes for, right?
Hello.
Yeah. I'm on the store. I'm in the store right now at 7-Eleven. How you doing? You guys got good customer service over here. Oh, yeah? For sure. All right, man. Y'all know what it do. Y'all know what it don't, man. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it ain't, man. And real kings do real things, man. RKDRT TV. So y'all, man, gotta watch my back out here in these streets. So I'm on my way back to the store. I forgot my ID, so I had to walk back, and now I'm headed back over there. And that was like 30 minutes ago. Best believe the police is still over there. I'm feeling this Samsung camera. I ain't even go cap. I can't even cap to you. So if y'all know our real kings, man, we don't fuck with the police, man. Fuck them niggas.
Niggas is hella whack.
I'm saying, I don't fuck with them personally. She's staring pretty hard too. She see me recording and shit. You see me recording, bitch? But yeah, man, we back at the store with it. You hear me? The vlog continues. Your looks giving you away. So yeah, man, I don't know about y'all, but I've been having a wonderful day so far. I had some panadas earlier. I'm kind of hungry right now, but I'm gonna just get me something to drink. All right, y'all, man. Hey, I ain't even gonna lie, I look real good on this camera. I like how crispy this. See, this is how the vlog should be looking. You know what I'm saying? Crispy. Except, I mean, see, this is what I'm talking about. This is the type of footage that I like to gather right here. You know what I'm saying? That shit looking crispy, clean. You feel me? Leave it in the comment section what you think about this camera in particular. This is a Samsung, Motorola, something. It's your birthday, Sophie?
No, it was Zon's birthday.
It's Zon's birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Your birthday? It was your birthday just passed, huh?
Mm-hmm.
How old are you?
4.
What? What you looking at?
I'm just throwing a rock.
Just throwing the rocks.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all know the vlog continues. Different day, same vlog, man. So we about to go to Renisha's house right now. About to go see his aunt for his birthday.
My name is Asia. Back in the video.
Put the light on.
So,
Stay professional out here
I
all
want
day,
to
every
show
day.
you his outfit.
So this is just, you know, I'm just getting ready. Well, I'm pretty much ready for work. I gotta do work in about an hour or so. Just, you know, just real casual, real light.
You being at Azan's birthday.
Happy birthday, Azan.
Happy birthday, Azan.
Happy birthday, Sophie. Sophie just had a birthday too.
Yep.
Happy 12. Azan, how old are you? 12 or 13?
13. You don't mess with 12.
13 now.
You don't mess with 12.
Are you 13 or 12?
He's 12. No, he's 12.
He's 12, but he don't mess with 12.
Look at this. Look at these bitch ass cops right here. Cops. One bitch right here and a bitch right here. Straight bitchy trying to fucking say some bullshit.
He's so
Hey, get
annoying.
outside. Happy birthday, Zonnie. What you gotta say, man? You 13.
He's 12.
Azan, why you looking at the camera like that? Huh? It's my nephew, y'all. Check him out. Oh, shit. Steven! You got something in your hair. You're looking like Real kings do real things, man. Y'all know the grind don't stop, man. I'm here at work. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to stay and chill, but you know, man, gotta do what I gotta do. Feel me? So, thank y'all for watching this video, man. Supporting the channel, keeping it active. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to enjoy this good food right now. You feel me? Definitely appreciate y'all for supporting me, supporting the dream. Y'all make sure y'all notifications are turned on, man. We're gonna keep the vlogs going, man. Thank y'all for watching this video. Holla at y'all in the next vlog.